Is that candy? No candy in my gym.
Huh?
No pain, no gain.
Okay.
What do I do? Oh, I know. I'll just dissolve my cotton candy in my drink. Cotton candy. Finally, remove the label. Now it just looks like a sports drink.
Wait, stop it. Do you have any candy?
Nope, just my drink.
Alright, you're good to go.
What's your favorite snack? Comment down below. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done. Thank you. Hey, cheer up, Kev. I got us some sports drinks.
Oh, but I want candy instead.
Just try it.
Is this cotton candy?
You bet it is.
Time to work out.
Oh,
Oh, is that the newest sports drink? Ooh, I could use a boost. This tastes like candy.
sorry.
100 push-ups right now. Let's go. Come on. For this workout, we're gonna use the basketball. Pass the ball to work out your core and arms.
I'm tired. Time for a pick-me-up.
Hey, what'd I tell you about candy? Keep working.
Oh, I know. I can use this basketball to hide my candy. I just need to cut it. Now I can put candy inside. Ooh, this will fit a lot. Basketball time. Hey, Kevin, catch.
Huh? What is this? Candy! Wow, you're a genius!
How's the workout going?
Great, right, Kevin?
Yeah.
All right, let's see it. Pass me the ball.
Okay.
Who put candy in my basketball?
It was Becca!
There's 10 laps around the gym.
Sour punch. What do you got today, Kevin?
Hubba Bubba!
Hey, I heard rumors of candy being eaten in my gym. Time for an inspection. Hey, what are you hiding behind there? How many times do I have to tell you?
Sorry.
Oh, how am I gonna hide this? Oh, I've got it. I can just hide my candy in my headband. All done.
Do you have any candy, Becca?
No.
All right, then let's get to working out.
That was good.
Hey, can I have some? I'll just turn up the heat.
What are you laughing at?
You'll see.
Oh, it's getting hot. Oh, let me take off my headband. What?
Quit goofing around. What's that on your head? Candy again? 2 times the workout.
Oh, man.
I gotcha. Time for some candy. Toxic waste.
No candy.
But my candy.
Get back to your workouts.
Oh, Kevin just got caught. What am I gonna do? That's it. I know what to do. I just need my Hubba Bubba and gauze tape. Now I can wrap over it with the gauze tape. Now that it's done, I can sneak my candy.
Huh? What's that sound?
Nothing.
Okay, double time. Go, go, go. Let's go, come on. Oh, what is that? This is Hubba Bubba. Aha, I caught you purple-handed.
Oops.
Okay, Becca, I need you to focus on the ball.
All right.
All right, Kevin, she's ready. Whoa! Great swing, Becca.
Whoa, was that a good hit? What's your favorite sport? Comment down below. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done. Thank you.
All right, it's time for a break.
Time for a snack.
What's that sound? Hey, put it in.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. Oh, I know. We can put candy in this bowl. I'll just hide the Pop Rocks inside the bowl. Let's play ball. Hey, Kevin, want some candy?
Huh?
Enjoy.
Thanks.
Break time's over. Alright, let's practice that throw again.
Okay. Don't hit it too hard, Becca.
I'll try.
Batter up.
Oh, what's that?
Candy, or you two are in big trouble. That's how you do a bench press.
Whoa.
Alright, your turn, Kevin.
Okay. Hey, yeah.
Ooh, pink Hubba Bubba and a matching weight. I just need some scissors and double-sided tape. All done.
I need 3 reps from you, Becca.
Okay.
That's how you do a sit-up.
Oh, that looks hard.
Yeah.
Alright, who's going first?
I'm okay, Becca, you go.
Oh, whoever does it gets this candy.
Oh, no way! I'm ready for my candy.
Yeah, coming right up.
Ooh, mine!
If you want it, you're gonna have to work for it. One, almost. Keep going. Yeah.
Yes, I did it!
Great job, Becca, and that's why we work out.
Awesome!
Let's go, Kevin. Great job today, guys. I'll see you again next week.
All right.
Bye!
Time to relax. Finally, I can eat my snacks. Yeah.
Hi, everyone!
Did you like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.